Hello friends, this is Ramashama here and you are watching React.js mini YouTube series, and this is a part of fourth of this series. So in the previous part we created our API key and then we used our API key here, and then when I will search here, see that here, when I will search like Fullyworld web tutorials and click on search here, so it will give us one object here that I consoled here. See that search is successful and click OK. Now see that here we got our object here, and here is our whole data, and in which 15 items are there. So there was only one problem in our API here. So see that here, see that we are only getting our channel ID, etc. See that here we are only getting our video ID, and we are not getting our results like we are not getting our snippets here. So snippet means we are not getting title of the video, we are not getting the description of the video, we are not getting the time of the video and the type of the video, its category. We did not getting anything about that. So for that we have to add one more, we have to pass one more parameter, that is our params. So params is a one parameter there. So we will pass the params there as a snippet here. So because that description everything is called as snippet here. So today in this video, first of all we will fix our this API. So fix our the API document. Then after that we will present our videos here. So we will present our videos in the interface here. And see that here we are not also getting the thumbnail here. So we also want the thumbnail. So that's why in the snippet the thumbnail will be there. So we will complete our interface today, and after that we will in the next video we will complete our mini YouTube. So after that I will create our one bonus video. So in that you can paging, we can add paging also here. So first of all let's fix our API key. So let's get started and let's get our description first. So this is our coding section here. So this is our code from where we are fetching our things from the API here, and we are setting to our this data here, and this is our search item. So with the help of this text we are with the help of this search item, so we are fetching our data. So now let's see here. So here first of all we will get here, see that here is our one key here. So we are not getting our description with the help of this key, means with the help of this whole snippet and these parameters here. So to get the description of the search here, so we will be using here part as snippet here. So part as snippet here we will pass this. So when we will save this, and then let's check there. So I think it is compiling here. So let's see its compilation. So I think it is compiled successfully. And now let's reload this. So it is reloading. And now let's write Fullyworld, our channel name. So now we should get our videos. Fullyworld. And now click on enter. See that our search is successful here. So now let's see our data. So here is items here, and then let's see that we are now getting our one snippet here. So here we are getting snippet here. So this one, see that here we are getting snippet here, and then click on snippet. So after that see that this is the title of the video. So after these are the thumbnails here, default, medium, high and everything. This is our description here. So and this is channel title, this is channel ID, everything we are getting. So see that, but description is not too much. So dots are there, many dots are there. So this description only we are getting like that when we are searching on the YouTube something here. So that YouTube searching videos, when it will show there. So that type of search we are getting here, and that's why our description is too short here. So if you want to add more description, then you have to use another API. So that is our videos API. When you will click on the video here, so that API will introduce and you will get our video, but we are not going to do like that. So we are going to make our simple YouTube. So we are going to use embed only here. So now our first part of this video is done. So now let's move there and let's display our videos here. So first of all, let's display our current video. So display our current video. So current video will be our first video. So current will be our first video, YouTube #video. So that will be our first video. So random video you can choose. You can choose any video here from here as a current video. So what I will prefer to choose only this one of video. So this one is 1. So see that when I will search Fullyworld web tutorials here, because I will not choose index 0, so I will choose only index 1. So just because see that here is our one more data is there. So after that one more data is there. So now there you will see, so here is YouTube #channel, but we want YouTube #video only here. So video will be there. So because I will skip this channel here, so first of all we will filter out our data here. So after filtering out data, then we will print our data to our this one here, to the state here. We will push data to our state here. So after filtering the data, then we will add our current video. So now let's move to coding section and let's see what we will do here. So now first of all, let's create our one more state here. So that will be our current video state. So that is current video. So current video state. So there are two states here, that is our current video and another is our second. So means there is no there will be two components here. So there will be one will be current video component and then will be our video list here. So here this is searched item, it is search data, or you can say that here is our videos list here. So videos list here. So first of all, now videos, we will not filter the videos now here. So we will filter the videos when we are going to fix our bugs of this mini YouTube here. So that will be our last video there. So let's first of all here let's apply use state. So here I'm going to create one more state here. So that will be our current video and comma we will set current video. So set current video and we will use state, and by default it will be an empty object. So it is an empty object now. So here now there is by default our current state will be, our current video will be. So we will set our current video. So by default our current video will be, so this one videos.data.items, and after that it's second one here. So I'm going to do this and it's index 1 here. So we will pick the second video as a current video here. So here is SEARCH, search successful, and now let's console our current video here. So we are going to console our current video, copy this, and after that let's console it here only. So let's console it here. So console.log. So I'm going to console it here. I'm removing this, our previous videos here. So save this and now let's check it here. So it is compiling, so it will take little time for compilation. So let's wait for it. So it will take little time for compilation. It is compiled successfully, and now our page will refresh. See that our page is refreshing again. So let me refresh it manually. So actually the console is not clear. So now it is successfully refreshed, and now I will write here like I am writing India here, and click on search. So we will get first our this one search is successful, and after that see that we are getting our empty object here. Why we are getting our empty object? I search India, search successful. See that now we are getting. So actually the problem of API can be there. So little bit due to internet. So response time may vary here. So when I click it on the search here again, search is successful, and see that I am getting object here. So this is our current video here. So this is our current video, and we are having all the snippets here. So first of all, let's add our current video here. So for that, let's make one component here. So I'm going to do like this only. So let's make one component here. So here we will make one component. So that component will be the that component will be the major component of other two components here. So that will be our body here. Body.js. So body.js is here. So let's create one component, RAFCE. So this is a shortcut here to make our this component here. So now see that our component is created here. Now this is a div here. So there will be our class container. So class container, after that there will be our division, one more, and its class name will be row here. So its class name is row. So it is now empty here. So see that class name is row here. Now there are two components we will create. So one component will be of our current video. So current video that will be visible here, and after that there will be our second component. So that second component will be, oh sorry, actually comment is not like that here. Now it's okay. So now this is our comment here. So this is comment here. So here will be our current video. So after that a current video component will be there. So current video component. So after that here will be our second component here. So that second component will be our videos list component. So videos list component will be here now. So videos list component. So these will be here. So now here we are going to fetch our current video. So we will use destruction here. So here will be our this one current video. So copy that from here. So current video. So after that, so first of all I will create one folder here. So that will be our body here. So body, and I'm going to insert this under this body here. So now this is under our body folder, and I'm going to rename this as index.js. So rename it as index.js. So see that now it is also renamed. So after that I'm going to rename it as body only. I will rename it as body only. So here see that I'm going to call here. So I'm going to call body. So see that this is our body here. So see that it is imported successfully from component slash body because it is index.js here. So we don't need to write now index.js. So our body folder will act as our, means it will automatically fetch the variable from our component from the index.js here. So here body is here. So after that here we will pass our parameter, so that will be our current video. So current video is our current video. So save it, and we can also pass our videos list here. So but we will pass that video list later on. So now our current video is here. So now this is a time here to create our one more new component here. So first of all we will destruct this here, so that is current video. So we will use destruction. So we will fetch the current video from the object of our this props here. So if you don't know about destruction, please you can Google about the destruction here. So you can get many videos or many articles regarding the destruction. So here first of all now we will create one more component here. So let's create that component. So that component will be our current video component. So I will write a show video.js. So show video.js, RAFCE, same thing. So show video is here. Now its class will be call MD8 or it can be call MD6. Call MD7 is better. So call MD6, I will write call MD6 till now. So call MD6 is there. So after that I will write here our current video. So save it, and now let's add our current video here. So show video. So show video, see that it is automatically fetched now, imported now. Now let's save this and let's see there. So now it is refreshing. Now see that this is our current video, but now we are getting only one error here. So the element type is invalid, class function but got object. So let me see this again. Reload this. See that. So now we are getting like this. Okay, now our current video is there, and because it is our current video is currently empty here, so now it should return us video is loading, but it is not returning like that. So now let's see how we can do this. Until our response is not coming, then our video is, means our current video will be seen as loading, video is loading. Then after that there will be our current video will be printed here. So see that here current video is there. So current video is there. So now we will do one thing here. So first of all let's pass our current video here also. So here we will pass same here current video, save it. So after that now we will get here our current video here. So we are getting our current video here. So now let's see it here. So now there will be our one condition here. So here we will write one condition. So let me write that. So that will be current video. So if there is a current video is equals to null here. So if our current video is equals to null, so you can write that like this. It means it is a null here. So you can also like that, like this here. So this means also false here. So this means also true or false. If there is true, then our this condition will run. Otherwise, we will run our another condition. So now cut this, and now here we are printing our this current video. If our this is false here, so this is true here, then we will print current video. Otherwise, our video is loading. So let's see what it is happening here. So refresh this. So our current video is there. So first of all, let's console this here. So console.log our current video. So see that now our current video is empty object. It is an empty object, but we are also getting our current video as well. So here we will write this is equals to is not equals to this one. So let's check this now. So reload this. Okay, now let's do one thing here. So it is not coming here. So let's do one thing. So here in the under the state, that is our current video. So for till now under the state, here we will write our empty as video loading. That is our, we will create our one more function is loading. So that we are going to use for our current means fetching videos here. So see that here current video is loading, and set is loading. So here we will use state here. So use state here we will only use our boolean values here. So we will be using boolean values. So by default is loading will be true here. So by default our is loading is true here. So is loading true here. Now we will use this function here. So on the load of the window, on the load of the application, so we will do one thing here. So for that we will use effect here. So use effect. So we are using use effect here. See that use effect hook. So it will the use effect can be used as like it can be used as many things, like it can be used as component did mount, and it can be used as component did not mount, component on unmount, but we are going to use it as component did mount here. So here it will return one function here. So after that, this is, we don't want any dependency here. So this will be so this arrow means this means it will run only one time here. So it will run only one time. So here we will set our, we will call our function, that is our search data. So search data, after the search data we will passing Fullyworld web tutorials, Fullyworld web tutorials. So after this data is searched successfully, so after this search data is searched successfully here, then we will here do one thing here. So here we will set is loading. So set is loading. So we will set is loading to false here. So then we will set is loading to false here. So before that, here we will pass is loading also. So here we will pass is loading. So is loading as is loading. So here we passed is loading as is loading here. So now go to index.js and here we will fetch is loading also. Is loading. So after that, here I will pass is loading again to our show video here. This is our is loading. So after that, go to our show video. So here now we will check it. So we will fetch here is loading also. Is loading. So now if is loading is true here. Now if is loading is true here, so then we will add our video is loading here. So else we will return our current video here. Like that. Now let's see if it is working or not. So see that now it is load successfully and onload our search is successful now, and then click on OK. So after that, see that we are getting our object. So click here, see that we are getting our object here, current video is here. So whenever we load it, see that by default it will be video is loading here. So until I will not click on search successful here, see that whenever we click search successful here, now it is coming current video, means our video is loaded successfully. So now let's add our video here. So now let's add a video here. So I'm going to remove our current video console from here. So only we want console. I consoled it here, our current video. So that's why. So now our video is loading is not there. So let's do one thing. So here let's create one division here. So here will be division dot. So dot will be our, so first of all we will add our, this will be our React fragment. So after that React fragment, and now I will add embed here. So see that this is our iframe here. So copy this. So paste this here. So but instead of this iframe, so this iframe I will make it as self closing tag here. So let me see the warning, which warning we will get here. So unique title property. So okay, there will be our title here. So we will write here title. So this is just our here. So title will be our current video. So title will be our current video dot name. So it can be, let me see here. So it is like that. So let's see our uniqueness here. What is happening? Yeah, I'm not able to. Yeah, now I'm getting here. So click here. So see that here is ID here. So ID here, that will be id.video ID here. So I can also write e tag here, but we will use ID here. So that will be our .id.kind .id.video ID. So that will be current video .id dot then video ID will be there. So this is our title here. So after that, see that now there is one thing here. So there is embed here. So embed is not for our video here. So now we want our video. So I'm going to copy this and here we will use backticks here instead of these ones. We will use backticks. So now backticks are there. So after that, now there we will use our this symbol here and then paste it here. So actually the backticks are not working. Yeah, we have to pass like this. So see that now this is our working here. So now this is our current video here. So see that embed. So we are using simply embed here. So when we will save this, now we should get our video here. So there is one property, frame border. So it can be frame border here. So frame border. Next, allow full screen. So because we are using JavaScript here, so we have to use camel case letter. So now let's reload it again. See that now video is loading and see that video is loading here. Now click on search successful. So allow full screen is not a property here. So see that now we are getting our video here. See that we are getting our current video here. So whenever we write Fullyworld web tutorials, click on search. See that we are getting now our videos here. So but this video is too long. This video is too long. So now I have to do one thing. So its width will be 100% and its height will be, so 400 will be equal, like we can write as 60% also. So save it. Now let's see how it is working. So search successful here. So see that our video is like that. So now our width is 100%. So whatever video is very low here. So for that we have to set our height and width here. So here I'm going to write our style here. So we are using inline styling here. So inline styling, and here will be our height. So let's set it height to be 500 pixel. Save it, and now let's see. So now let's reload this. Save it here. Now see that we are getting our video here. And we also want one margin here. So that will be margin top. So margin top. So let apply margin top to 10 pixel. 20 pixel is okay. So margin top to 20 pixel. So now let's see that now we are getting it very beautifully. So see that it is 100%. Now we are getting videos like that here. So it is now 100% here. So but our height and width is not okay. It is not so okay. So now let's do one thing here. So let's add its height to as 60 pixel, 600 pixel, and its height as 60% is there. Let apply it as 80%. And now let's see. So we have to set its height and width here. So its height and width, it is very low. So height will be 60% only, and here I am setting col MD7 here. Save it, and now let's see that now we are getting little good here. So this is our now video here. Now we will add some descriptions here. So there will be some descriptions here. So here we will add full screen. Allow full screen is not there, so we will not allow full screen here. Save it. So here will be full screen. So I think this will work here. Yeah. Now let's fetch our videos here. So here first of all I will use border class also. So we will show the border also here. So see that now our border is shown successfully here. So here let's apply padding top to 1. Now let's see. Now see that our padding to up to 1 is also showing. Now it is looking little okay. So now let's add some descriptions here. So now let's add some description here. So how description will be there? So we will add description. So first we will add title here. So its title will be, so its title to snippet, we will go to snippet. In the snippet there is our title here. So let's move there. So move to our coding section. So here now iframe is there. So now we will use React fragment here. So we can use also div here, but I will use React fragment here. So now here will be our h1 tag, or you can write that h3 tag here, h3 tag, and after that we will write here our current video. So current video dot snippet dot title will be there. Save it, and now let's see it here. See that now this is our title here. So it is looking little good here. So let's make it more short in the size. It will be h5. Save it, and now let's see it. Now it is looking little good here. So it is looking little good here. Now let's fetch our channel ID. So here will be one div here. So one paragraph will be here. So one paragraph, and here first of all we will fetch our channel ID here. So its class name will be, its class name as dflex here, and flex justify content we want to between here. We will justify content between here. So after that here let's fetch two things here. So here I will write paragraph here. So here division will be good, division, and here will be one paragraph, and here will be our channel ID. So channel ID it will be in the bold tag here, b tag, here is b tag, and now here will be our channel ID here. So let's see where is our channel ID. So channel ID here, go to kind. So after that there will be our ID here. ID will be our kind, there is not here. So we will go to snippet. Under the snippet there is our channel ID. So we will fetch it from here. So here will be our current video dot snippet. So now we are going to fetch everything from the snippet here, and here will be our channel ID. Save it, and now let's see it here. See that now we are getting our channel ID also. So now let's fetch another thing here. I'm going to copy it, and here what we want. So let me see, here we want our channel name here. So channel ID only we want. So channel ID will be at justify content at between here. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to use this now. So only channel ID will be at right side here. So here will be ML. Its class name will be ML auto here, and here will be not any class name. Save it, and now let's see. So our channel ID will be at the right side, I think. It is not at the right side. Let me write class name to call empty dweller. save it. Now let's see, it is not at the right side, so I have to add class here. So its style position will be relative. Position is relative here, and width will be 100%. 100%. Save it, and now let's see it. So it is there. I don't know actually why it is not going to at right side here. If I will write here class name as ml auto, let me remove this. So channel ID, now our channel ID is there, so I will not give any preference to more to our interface here. So let's do it. So see that our now channel ID is here. So search is successful and everything is successful here. Channel ID is here. Now let's write our channel name. So here will be one our paragraph here. So here will be one more paragraph. So paragraph will be same like that. So I'm going to copy and paste this. So here will be our MX Auto. So MX Auto is there. So here will be our channel name here. So after that, let's see our channel name. Where is our channel name here? So I'm going to here, go to snippet here. So after that, there is our channel title here. So that will be our channel title here. Save it, and now let's see it. Where is our channel title? See that our channel title is, channel name is wired only. So now it should come in at the center here. So we will write one styling here. So style. So here will be our margin left to 50%. Margin left to 50%, and here will be our transform. We will write our translate x to minus 50%. Save it, and now let's see it. I don't know where it goes. Now our channel name is here, that is ml2 text center. Save it. Now let's see it. Now see that our text is at center here. So our text is at center here. Here we want our text to right here. Text right here. Save it. And now see that it is our at the right side here. So now there is one thing is pending, that is our description here. So let's add one more thing here, that is description here. So here will be our paragraph, but in that paragraph we will not add this one here. Here will be description. Let's save this. So where is our description here? See that now this is our description. So when I will search here Fullyworld web tutorials, and our by default current video will be here. See that. And HTML I will search successful, because at the HTML, see that learn HTML in 12 minutes. And now this is our current video. So HTML5 click enter, search successful. See that this is our HTML5 now. So now we fetch our video here and we showed the video here. So now one thing is our pending here, so we have to show now many videos here. So for that we will use only one card here. So let's go there and let's do that. So here we want now our videos list here. So first of all I'm going to remove this alert statement here. So and here to the body we are passing videos here. So as videos we are in our data here. So see that here is our data. So our data state is here. So we are passing that state. So data. So after that after the videos. So now we will create one file here under the body. So we are also getting the videos here. So videos, and also we are getting the is loading here. So we will destruct the videos also. So after that we will create one new file here. So that will be our videos here. So videos list. So or you can say that video card here. So it can be video card here. So video card.js here. So after that there will be we will create a function component here. RAFCE. So this is our video card here. So video card is here. Now we will print anything here. So now we print anything here. So we printed anything there. So because we just want to check if all the videos are printing these things or this thing or not. So for here, so first of all there will be one division, that will be our col md. So col md5 will be there. So as it in the above there is col md7 is there. So here first of all we check if is loading is there. So if is loading is there, and here we have to add style also here. So I am writing style. So style margin top will be what was our margin top there. So show video, in the show video margin top is 20 pixel. We are going to do like that. Here will be our 20 pixel. So is loading is there. If there is loading, so then we will just print one thing. So that will be videos are loading. Sorry for the background sound. So our video is loading. Else if video is not loading, then what will we do? So first of all we will map our videos here. So we will map our videos or map, and then there will be our video here. So then we will return this. So we are not going to use braces here, so we will use here return here. So we have to return something here. So that's why we are using parentheses. This means we are returning something here. So that is return. So we will return our videos card here. So videos card. So see that it is successfully imported here. So videos card we are returning here. So first of all let's apply key also here. So we have to use key also there. So here key will be video video dot id dot video id. So otherwise we will get warning here. So save this and save our app.js also. So save our app.js, and now let's check there. So it is compiling. It will take little time for the compilation. Just wait for that. So after compilation I will resume my video here. So till then I am pausing it. So now see that after compilation it is returning one error here. So one error, that error is that cannot read property map of undefined. It is not able to read the property that map of undefined here. So let's see where is our error here. So here go to our index here. So here is our error. So that is our videos. So videos is done. So let's see here. So here I pass the videos here, index. After that there is videos, then there is our video here. So we are mapping our videos here. So where is the actual error? So here is video card. After that video id. So everything is okay. So where we are getting error? So let me reload it and let's see. Now it should work. I don't know why it is running an error. So see that. So our list must contain a key property. So it was a little bit of bug here. So see that. Now we are getting here many things here. So see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 15. Up to 15 we are getting. Means our this product card is working here. So but its ID is not working. So we have to pass a key also here. So let's pass the key to the videos card, and here we will pass our key here. So key will be our video dot id dot video id here. So here where is video? So we will destruct video from the props here. So let's see it again. So it will reload again. Let's see. So cannot read the property of undefined. So actually I am not passing the video here. So that's why it is giving us the error. So I have to pass video here as like this, video as video here. So save it. Now let's do it again. So it is compiling again. It will take a little time. It is compiled successfully. Now see that we are getting like this. So but we are getting also key here. Error occurring in video card component. Cannot read property of ID here. So it is not able to read our ID property here. So here video card. So let's see it video here. So video ID. Let's see it again. So this is our one video here. Under the video there is our ID here. So under the video there is our ID here. So ID of video ID. So it should work here. Cannot read property ID of undefined. Videos card, video is I am passing here. So that video I am passing here. So it is working correctly. So it is not getting our ID. So let me add something here. So let me print something more. So that will be our video dot snippet dot title here. So let's see if our title is working or not. Otherwise there will be a something error in our passing here. So see that we are getting these here. So we are getting all videos here. So just ignore these errors here. So ignore this. These are means little bit errors here. So ignore them. So otherwise we can pass like this here. So key will be here, key here. So key, and after that with the video we will pass our key also here. So after that here we are going to pass one key here. So that key will be our video dot id dot video id here. Save it and save it also here. And now let's see. So it will take So when we reload this, so reload it. See that videos are loading here. So see that here key is not a prop here. So we can remove our key also here. So actually our video.id is not working, so that's why. So you can ignore this, you cannot ignore this error, but I don't know why we are getting this error. So here will be video.id because object is our same here. So I also faced this error first time. So because this id is not working due to the object. So now see that our title is coming correctly. So now there we will add images here. So images, where is the image here? So images, see that under the snippet here, under the snippet. After that, under the snippet there is our thumbnails. So under the thumbnails there is our default, then we will use URL here, default then URL. So we will use like that. So let's see that here. So here this is here. After that here will be one border here. So here will be border and call empty 12 will be there, class. So class name will be border and call empty 12. So let's move there. So here first of all we will add one image here. So that image will be source. So its source will be our video, video.snippet, and under the snippet there is our thumbnails, and under the thumbnails there will be our default, and after that there is our URL. So alt will be our same here. So alt will be our title here. So this one same, our video.snippet.title here. So screenshot will be none, but we have to set its height here. So its height will be 100%. So let me write it. Height will be 400. 400 is not good. So height will be 100%, but width will be 30%, and we have to add deflex here. So display will be flex also here. So after that there will be our one division more. So that division will be width. We will use style here. No, we don't have to use. So here first of all there will be our paragraph tag, or you can say that h5 tag. So I will use paragraph tag here. So that will be our heading here. So save it. Now let's see how it is working. So see that. Now see that our videos are looking very good. Wow. See that these are our videos and these are looking very good. So these are images here, and these images are looking very good here. See that. Now just we have to add some margins here. So that we will add here. So here will be margin bottom. So margin bottom will be 1 here. Margin bottom 1, and for the for the image there will be class name here. So class name will be margin right. So here margin right will be 1 here. Save it, and now let's see it here. So it will take a little time after the compilation. So I'm going to reload it again. So it is compiling here, so it will take little time, so let's wait for that. So now it is compiled successfully, and now let's see that now it is looking good, very good here. So see that here there is our title here. So now I will not give any preference to so here there is paragraph here, so paragraph is here. So after that there will be our description here. So here cursor we will write pointer here. So here we will style there, style, and cursor as pointer there. So after that the title we will write only one thing, that is our h1 here. So h1 will be there. First of all we will bold our title also. So now we are bolding our title. So we bolded our title also. So now let's move further, and we have to add its style here. So we have to add its font size. So font size will be 0.99 rem. So let's see this, how our font is looking now. Now we also have to add padding here. So we will add padding here. So padding of 1 here. So it will also look good. Now see that our padding is also looking good. Now it is looking very beautiful. See that. Now it is looking very beautiful here. So now only one thing is pending. Actually our font size is not working. So font size 0.99 rem. I will write important here. Save this. Now let's see how it is looking. So reload it again. So now our font size is looking little good. So only now one thing is pending here. So now we have to add our this one paragraph. One paragraph will be there. So that paragraph will be only our video channel name here. So video dot. So after that let's see where is our channel name. So here is this one. See that here is this. After that go to ID. We don't have to go to ID here. So we will go to snippet. After that there will be channel title here. So we will just use this. So video dot snippet dot channel title here. So channel title will be there. So see that all the warnings that are, see that now that warning is also gone from here. So there was some issues with the server only, so that's why that warning goes in. So we already mentioned the key. Now due to the server the error was just showing due to the server. So now but it is gone now. So see that here one paragraph is there. So but we don't want, we want only paragraph as we want style is equals to. So class name here will be, that will be our text right here, and save it. Now we don't want this under the bold here, so we want outside the bold here. Save this, and let's see how it is looking. Now see that now it is looking very beautiful here. Wow, but image is not looking good. So for that, in the division we will write add style here. So style, its width will be, what was the width here? So its width was 30%. So here we will write 68%. So width will be 68%. So now let's see how it is looking. So actually I will not give any I'm not giving any so much preference to this here, to our interface. So my motive is just to explain you how we will fetch the data from API and how we will do the functioning with the help of API here. So see that this is here. Now see that our videos our images are also working good. See that our images are also working good. See that because it is because of the image height, so that's why. See that these are looking good here. So height is 100%, width is 30%. So now we are getting all our videos here. So when I will remove this, so let's see how it is looking. So now we have all the videos here, and we did our interface is now completed here. Now some bugs are there, so that we will fix in the next video. So that thing we only want to do. So at last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.